I don't know how to share this with you all, but there's a big point that I need to prove with my music, for which I need to up my game. I had gotten an opportunity similarly to play at this festival called Sati Festival. आज हम लोग निकलने वाले थे उस फेस्टिवल के लिए, but नहीं निकले हैं. Really sorry that I was not able to perform.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Time right now is, what is the time, baby?
It's 10:45.
Time right now is 10:45. We've just stepped out of our rooms. एक तो सुबह सुबह उठते ही बहुत ज़्यादा डिलेमा में हम लोग थे because of the weather and whether we should go for the trek this time, because the weather forecast is similar to what it was last time. I mean, it's not as bad as it was last time, because last time it was peak monsoons, maybe this pocket. But yeah, there are chances of rain this time as well. So we've also been talking to the organizers, a few other people here who are planning to go for the festival. The people here are, hi, hello, hi, Kushaku. The people at the hostel are cancelling because they don't want to risk it, but yeah, a lot of people obviously want to go and are here for that festival. So right now our plan is, हमने सारा जो भी camping या trekking पे लेके जाने वाला सामान है, we've packed all of that and we've kept it separate from our luggage. And yeah, the plan is for us to go and check out what the scene looks like, and then take a call whether we want to go or not. Oh my god, he's not making that face anymore.
He was sleeping.
Yeah. Hey, hello. What a stupid doggo. Anyway, this is the meeting point that has been set by our organizers. So we've just reached here. Do you see people? Oh wow, he's such a fan.
A little later.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the world of Vasa. And क्या बोला, कुछ अपडेट्स हैं जिसके बारे में मुझे आप लोगों से बात करनी है. There's something I really am not in the right frame of mind to speak about, but शार्लेट को आज स्ट्राइक किया कि this is a good moment to share with people. तो उसने बोला कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में है, अगर दिल में कुछ है तो बोलो. So I would like to talk about it, but there is some cuteness on the road. जो विटनेस करते हैं तो रुक जाते हैं. बट या अगर आप मुझे जानते हो तो आपको पता होगा कि आई एम मोस्टली रिलेटेड, आई हैव बीन रिलेटेड टू म्यूजिक सिंस आई वाज बॉर्न. आई मीन सिंस आई हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलवेज अ डांसर एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन प्लेज एंड ड्रामाज. कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करना मेरे से हो ही जाता था. आई वाज अ decent dancer from Calcutta. मैंने काफ़ी सारे फेस्ट्स एंड कॉलेज शोज एंड स्कूल फंक्शंस एंड ऑल में परफॉर्म किया है एंड कोरियोग्राफ किया है. I don't know where I'm going with this conversation because that is nothing related to what I'm about to share with you all. But yeah, कल हम लोग ने एक सेट रिकॉर्ड करने का कोशिश किया, but I made mistakes and mistakes हो रही है मेरे से because I think मुझे प्रैक्टिस भी और करने की ज़रूरत है. मेरी थोड़ी सी कंसिस्टेंसी को लेके आई हैव अ कंप्लेंट विद माई सेल्फ व्हेन इट कम्स टू कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस करना मेरे से हो नहीं पा रहा है. आई एम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू ग्रैब माई हेड अराउंड feeling the need of it, whereas I realize it very well inside my own head that yes, I do need to practice every day because it's a passion that I'm going for. I have started pretty late My primary source of income is something else. I work with my father in his business. So there's a big point that I need to prove with my music, for which I need to up my game. इस कारण से I have been trying to get in touch with events, festivals, and mostly festivals, because I don't like playing in clubs. That's not my first preference. I wouldn't say I don't like it, but I have always wanted to play in open air, open fields, and to crowds of mixed colors. There is no discrimination. Festivals generally have that vibe to themselves. Yeah, the concept of a festival is to free yourself of all bonds and just be there as humans, be part with the nature. Oh my god.
So cute.
Yeah, I had gotten an opportunity similarly to play at this festival called Sati Festival, which is hosted by a group of people from Pokhara. From Nepal. आज हम लोग निकलने वाले थे उस फेस्टिवल के लिए, बट नहीं निकले हैं. I don't know how to share this with you all, but the problem that we faced is, as of yesterday, I was talking to the organizers of the festival. I found out that the mixer that they are providing us is a DJM 850, which is a mixer only, and it does not come with jog wheels, which is a CDJ. I mean, ये थोड़ा सा डिटेल में ऐसे ही बता दिया, टेक्निकलिटीज है, लेकिन इट्स नॉट नथिंग ऑफ रेलेवेंस टू आप लोग को कुछ इसमें से समझ नहीं आएगा, बट फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज़ वेरी न्यू टू द सीन, who has an FLX4 to practice in their homes and for small house parties or something of that sort, or maybe at a beginner level it's the console to get, because it's actually a crazy console for beginners. So I have that console and I use Recordbox. Recordbox or Serato are the softwares that you can use or you are to use if you have a CDJ or a DDJ with yourself. भाई इन लोग के से पता चला कि वहाँ पे DJM 850 का मिक्सर है, एंड इट्स मिक्सर ओनली. दे if I want to play my own music, I'll have to carry my laptop, or else carry my console, because if I carry my console, that mixer will become only the volume control, and my console will be the mixer over there. यहाँ पे वेदर कंडीशंस बहुत ख़राब है, एंड इतने पैसे मेरे पास टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट नहीं है कि मैं बार बार इस चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करूँ. ये प्रॉब्लम जो आई उसके बाद मैंने और आसपास मतलब और जो बड़े आर्टिस्ट्स उस लाइनअप में हैं उन्हें मैसेज किया इमीडिएटली, एंड आई टोल्ड देम दैट ये इशू है, आप लोग को इसके बारे में पता था. वन ऑफ द अदर आर्टिस्ट सेड दैट he also is not aware of it, and if that is the thing, it is a problem for him also. Last time हम लोग 2 साल पहले जब इस ट्रैक पे गए थे, मतलब इन लोग के साथ इस फेस्टिवल के ट्रैक पे गए थे, तो हम लोग सिमिलरली रेन का इशूज़ जिस हिसाब से फेस किए थे, Charlotte almost fell sick because we were sleeping in a pool of water, and on top of that sanitation is not good at all, because वहाँ पे ऐसा it's a trek, it's basically somewhere in between the mountains, or we would be at quite an elevation. तो आपको वॉशरूम तो नहीं मिलने वाला. इट्स अ कैंप, आप लोग कैंपिंग करोगे, वहाँ पे कुकिंग खुद करोगे, वहाँ पे आपको साउंड हीलिंग, मेडिटेशन करवाएंगे, काफ़ी कुछ था. बट टुडे मॉर्निंग वी वोक अप एंड वी वर लाइक स्टिल लेट्स गिव इट अ चांस, लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. बट एज सून एज वी गॉट डाउन एंड spoke to the people around, there were other people who were from different countries who have also cancelled going to the event, and we also thought it would be better if we cancel, because हमारे पास clothing तो adequate है, हम लोग खुद बच जाएंगे, लेकिन हमारे equipments को बचाने के लिए वैसा कुछ है नहीं. हम लोग गए थे जूसरी कैफ़े, इन लोग बुलाए थे हम लोग, यहाँ पे कैफ़े है, तो we had gone to the जूसरी कैफ़े to find out what is the scene, क्या चल रहा है. There were hardly people going from Pokhara to the festival. Considering all of these factors, I had a moment where I don't know if I'm still having that moment. It's very difficult to process everything. सब कुछ स्मूथ था. हम लोग इतने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड था. I was prepared a lot for this, and this was probably my break to playing at a festival, playing my first size set, playing ever. Up using this as my means to approach other festivals around the world. I really do want to play. There are a certain set of artists that I really want to play for, and I want to be a part of their lineups where they are headliners. These are dreams that I have to achieve, kinda. Considering the weather issues and our previous experiences, given our experiences last time, and on top of that मैं एक और चीज़ बोलूँगा. कल रात को इन्होंने खुद इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट भी डाला था विच स्कैर्ड द शिट आउट ऑफ मी एंड शाह. मतलब स्कैर्ड द शिट नहीं बोल के मैं बोलूँगा हम लोग काफ़ी शॉक हो गए हैं और पैरानॉइड हो गए थे आफ्टर वी रेड दैट मैसेज, क्योंकि उन लोग ने क्लियरली लिख दिया था कि भाई वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा तो एक्सपेक्ट बैड वेदर. और दूसरा चीज़ के उन लोग खुद ही का जो टाइमिंग था सुबह 8 या 9 बजे का, उन लोग डिले करके 11 बजे का कर दिए थे. Because they were like, we'll have to wait for the weather to change or be able to get an update, and then only we can push for this place. I hope they have a successful festival. I am very sorry that I've missed it. I'm really sorry that I was not able to perform. For an attendee, it was exciting because we both love attending good festivals with different crowds of different ethnicities and different countries. But एक जो पैरानोया सेट हो गया ना हमारे अंदर, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वी हैव बीन एट फेस्टिवल्स बिफोर, या सो द एक्सपेक्टेशन वाज क्वाइट हाई दिस टाइम, बट देयर वर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट वर नॉट मेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस आल्सो, इज व्हाई वी हैव कैंसल्ड. Sorry once again, really apologize for not being there. There are a few friends who will definitely be disheartened that I did not go there or that it did not go through. But again, to those friends also, I'm really sorry भाई लोग. करने का बहुत मन था. आप लोगों को शायद पता है, I'm sure, I have a feeling कि आप लोगों को definitely पता है कि मैं कितना desperately ये चाहता हूँ. But sometimes it's not in our stars. Let's hope for the best for the future. Want to, and I have been dreaming of this, so I have to fulfill this dream of mine for myself. All the best to us and all the best to all of you.
So after that much needed rant, we've just come to this place called Himalayan Java Coffee to grab a bite. Can't call it breakfast because it's 12:30, but yeah, we're here for brunch.
वो इस कैमरा लेंस पे बात नहीं कर रही है, वो अपने कैमरा लेंस पे बात कर रही है. I am sorry, baby.
Why?
That day we didn't go.
Why are you sorry? I'm sorry that we didn't go.
Both of us are sorry to each other that we didn't go.
I am more sorry because I know you wanted to go way more than I did.
So we are here today for our breakfast, and after that let's see how the day pans out. God, please give me some strength for sure, and give us some strength to have falling weak men.
That's the inside, but we are seated outdoors.
Please give me some strength for sure, and give us some strength.
Ooh, vlogception. Done with our breakfast, brunch rather. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा walking कर रहे हैं, and we are heading to a dragon mart. Apparently there's a dragon mart nearby, so we are heading there just to check it out. The same dragon mart. It's basically like a convenience store. Been to the dragon mart in Dubai. It's like a huge marketplace, like it's massive.
अच्छा?
Yeah. It's like New Market and Chandni, but way bigger. Hi. What are you doing here? We shopping for razors. Hi.
Crazy.
Sitting inside and just talking about wishing there was outdoor seating, and that's when we saw this.
Thank you.
Sure, baby.
He said, "Are you drunk?" You said, "Not yet." So he said, "I happy hour chalu ho gaya."
Back at the hostel, by the way.
Meanwhile,
I just went down and grabbed this book. Hehe. I've just. Guess what happened? So I just got this book from downstairs and I was very excited to read it. And then I opened the book, the first page, and it went like. ¿Cómo tal vous? The book is in French. Bygone. There goes my plan of reading.
Hi guys. It is right now. What is the time, baby?
8:24, baby.
8:24. And we have just stepped out of our rooms for dinner. We had a pretty light day planned for ourselves. We did not really do much. We were feeling a little lazy. And I was sulking a bit too, so I guess my
That
brain
was
was
that.
not responding in the best possible manner. लेकिन या क्योंकि हम लोग हॉस्टल से कनेक्टेड थे ना, अब मैं करूँगा चालू कर देता हूँ रुक एक सेकेंड। तो मैं तो ऐसे ही कभी छोटा सा आई थिंक 1 आवर का पावर नैप या ऐसा कुछ लिया हूँ। तो while I was taking this power nap, I had received a message from one of the artists who I just came in contact with who's playing at the festival too, where I was supposed to, लेकिन फिर उनसे अपडेट ये मिला है कि वहाँ पे वैसे बारिश आज थोड़ी कम हुई है, बट फिर भी इट फील्स लाइक इट इज़ गोइंग टू ड्रिजल, बट उनकी क्राउड स्ट्रेंथ होने वाली थी ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 400, बट only 50 people are out there, 60 people are out there, and now I'm here again with him and he's still sleeping. Crazy. I'm just somehow disappointed with the organizers this time. So and it has been confirmed that our decision to not go was actually the right one. So yeah.
Hi, good evening. Hi, good evening, everyone. We have stepped out of our rooms. Time right now is 8:30. इससे पहले बेबो का क्लिप है. I will add that. Bebo was vlogging. I don't mind trying some more. So I was saying that we've just stepped out of the hostel. इससे पहले Bebo was taking a nap, a big fat nap. Yeah. एंड अरे इतना अंधेरा क्यों है इधर? एंड मैं एकदम गुड बॉय जैसा एडिट कर रहा था, और अभी बहुत अरे बाप रे. आई वॉज सेइंग दैट आई एम वेरी वेरी हंग्री. आई एम ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ स्टार्विंग, एंड हम लोगों ने डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि क्या खाना है. सो
तुम तो देखा था ना कोई रेस्टोरेंट बेबी?
मेरे पास नेट नहीं है, मैं बोला था तुमको लेने.
one eternity later.
After a lot of ado, we have finally picked a place to eat, and the name of the place is. What is the name of the place?
I forgot.
I think it's Chili something.
Chili Bar and Restaurant.
Chili Bar and Restaurant, and I'm sitting in front of this beautiful, majestic painting, and we have this view as well. उस वाले लैम्प पे वाइट लाइट था. थैंक यू बेबी, आई लव यू. इट्स द लिटिल थिंग्स दैट यू डू. Checking out a few things for gifting. We've come to this shop. Oh, baby, they have fridge magnets here. Baby. Oh, these are patches. My bad. Oh, yes. Incense. Third eye. Say what? Damn. It's a sign. We should get it. But can we like sniff it though? Hi. Hello. Hi. What's up? How are you? How are you? This is a really nice shop. They've got a lot of stuff here. Ah. Why are you so cute? Excuse me, sir. Why are you pushing me? Got these cool postcards and stamps as well.
They have even books that you wanted to take.
Can I pay online?
UPI?
Yeah. Making some important decisions currently. Thank you.
ये तो भाई
This is where we had breakfast in the morning today. Do I wanna make a second attempt at getting a book? Got something. I mean, Bebo picked this for me. It's a mystery thriller, I guess.